Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're doing a ClickDealer affiliate network review. So let's get into it. ClickDealer is considered one of the top-tier global performance marketing networks, built mainly for experienced affiliates, media buyers, and agencies who want access to high-quality and high-paying offers. What makes it stand out is reliability, strong connections with direct advertisers, and optimization tools that help improve your ROI. You get access to a wide range of verticals like e-commerce, mobile content, lead gen, neutral dating, and sweepstakes with CPA and TPL models available. One of the biggest reasons affiliates love ClickDealer is its exclusive and private offers, stuff you won't see on most other networks. These exclusives usually mean better conversion rates and higher payouts, which is great if you're running optimized traffic. Another strong feature is their Smart Link technology, which automatically sends your traffic to the best converting offers based on the user's device, location, and behavior. It's perfect for squeezing value out of remnant or lower quality traffic. The dashboard is also super detailed and professional. You get real time analytics for clicks, conversions, EPC, and geo breakdowns. And when it comes to payments, ClickDealer is known for being reliable and always on time, with weekly payments available through PayPal, wire transfer, Paxful, and even Bitcoin. Account managers are very hands on too, helping affiliates pick the right verticals and optimize campaigns. They also run incentive programs like the Click Dealer Performance Awards and affiliate contests, giving top performers extra rewards. The only thing to note is that the network is more suited for intermediate to advanced affiliates because the approval process is strict and they care a lot about traffic quality. But beginners with a solid plan can still make it work. Overall, ClickDealer remains one of the most trusted and profitable affiliate networks in 2025, with strong support, premium offers, reliable payouts, and deep advertiser relationships, and still a top choice for affiliates who want scale, consistency, and quality. That's it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.